Guys, Anthony here from TRX4 RC Garage. Got a new body and look what it says, TRX4 Expedition. Now the reason it says Expedition and not off-road is because I just picked up the Expedition rack by TRX4. And there's two different ones you can get. One with the X has all the accessories. This one doesn't come with accessories. You have to buy the extra accessories and stuff. So anyway, we're going to be installing this today, and I am going to open up the package here and we'll get started. Okay, so I opened the package and it comes with templates for your bed rails where you're going to drill holes. It also comes with the mounting screws and the different supports that go underneath the body for the to hold it together. So let's get back to this and I'll stand by. Oh, here's another one. Comes with these. This is like tape, actually, like masking tape. So this will go, assuming, like such. Oh, maybe there's a curvature to it. So that's how it would go in, like that, with the arrows pointed in towards the bed. This is left rail, and it actually has a curve to match the bed curvature. And so we'll do the, that's tailgate, so here's the other bed rail. Alright, so there it is. So all we gotta do now is just drill our holes. Be right back. Okay guys, I just drilled the holes here. Now one thing I remind you, this is going to go in an angle. You don't want to actually poke a hole out the back of the bed. So when you do this, be very careful drilling your holes. Okay. Remove all this. Get all the debris out of here. This is going to line up good before I pull the tape off. Yep. So now you can remove all your masking. And it's pretty nice that they included a template in here, but honestly I wouldn't expect less from TRX4 because they're like that. They'll do some pretty cool stuff. And I'm just going to run this through here, make sure I get all the little pieces out of the way. Okay, it's all cleaned up. This piece will go here. Like such. Push in here. And I'm sure it's going to bolt in once we get all the pieces in place. And then of course the rack will go on here. Pretty good. And there it is, guys. So now what we gotta do is use all these pieces here. Now for the bed, this one's gonna have a curvature. So this one will fit down in here like such. And make sure you get all your debris out of here. is going to bolt on like this. And then this one here goes along with the side of the bed. We'll go like that. And of course, this one will go like such. Now to open up the screws and start installing the now I kind of got a little impatient here, guys. This is why I'm not in my studio, because I've been waiting for this for so long to come out. You know, I've been making comments every time on a video, and so what I've done is you know, I just wanted to get it together before it got dark, and maybe I could do a little outside post picture for you, so stand by. Okay guys, well there it is. I'm going to take some photos of this, show it to you, but I got the I changed out the sliders to the metal sliders on this particular truck. But this is it here, as you can see it. And that's going to be the tail end, because I'm leaving that alone. And of course, so anyway guys, that's it. I hope you like it. And I had a buddy of mine custom make me these TRX Expedition decals for me. He also can make them say off-road. I just had Expedition put on it because it's an Expedition rack. But if you have any questions, or on Facebook, I can share you his name. Actually, I'll put the link down below with Facebook. But anyway, this is it. I hope you like it. Alright guys, we're at the studio now because unfortunately I have forgot to bring my toolbox with me. I don't know why I didn't bring it, but I didn't. Okay, so I'll put the camera here where you can see what we're doing. And I hope you can see that. And this should bolt right in. And the other one here. And pretty much same thing with the side rails. So this says front. That's the right one. So they even give you on the bottom of these rails here. This will say left, and the front arrow pointing that way. So that's where you're going to put that. So pretty simple here on what to do. Push those back in place. And screws in here. Make sure they're all seating right. Move this over here so you can see that one. So there it is. Everything's bolted in correctly. And now looks like, I guess you're supposed to screw these from underneath, but they didn't give me a template for that, and I don't know if I want to just go drilling into that right now. I don't think I need to. I think this is pretty good as it is. So next, just got to get bar light for here, the snorkel and the mirrors installed here, and go from there. So there you got it. And I think there's more accessories to come with this. Let me move my camera up a little bit here, because apparently there's some kind of a bracket right here. I'm not sure for what yet. And there's a spot in here for the jack to bolt into. But see, I got my jack on the back of that, so I may not worry about that. So I'm not sure what this is for yet. I guess I'll find out soon enough. So guys, there you have it. Traxxas finally came out with the rack, and I'm so happy. If you have any questions, feel free, hit down below. If you would like to know part numbers, the rack by itself without the accessories is $81.20. Blue gas can is that one, and then for the red gas can is okay. I guess it's 8022 and then 8222R, and then this one is 8122 is oh, okay, here we go. So 8121 is the traction boards. 8121 is, oh, this is the traction board. So this is going to be for what they mean traction board is saying ladders. This one here is for the shovel. 8122 is for the shovel. It's for the shovel thing that's going to mount on the side here. Now there is another one that comes out with the accessories already on it, and I believe it's more money, I'm not sure, but anyway, you can check into that. But for now, as you can see, it comes with instructions, it comes with templates, it comes with a lot of cool stuff, and I'm very happy the way it turned out. And yeah, so anyway, have any questions, don't forget, hit down below. And remember, have fun with RCs. Thanks for watching.